Hey, hey, Kun here. Welcome. And today is withdraw day. Yes, I'm going to withdraw some Biswap, some BSW from my auto compounding pool, launch pool on Biswap. Here you can find it. Launch pools, stake BSW. You've got the holder pool is a minimum of 100, I think you have to stake. Wait a sec. Yep. And the auto compounding pool, there I've got my BSW staking. Auto compounding means that every 5 minutes they add the profits to my staked BSW. So it's some BSW I had left in my wallet from I don't know where, and so I've put it to work in the auto compounding pool. Now let's withdraw. Minus. I'm going to withdraw 20 BSW just to show you how it goes. I confirm. MetaMask is going to connect, asking for a little fee and confirmation. Waiting confirmation now. There you go. Withdraw 20 BSW. Let's take a look in my MetaMask. My BSW balance was empty and I received my 19.98 BSW. Now, I'm not going to let it in there. I could eventually swap it to BSW or BUSD, for example, and send it to my Binance account afterwards. But here I'm going to put it back in. So I've got now 44.2058 BSW in my staking pool. Going to add maximum. I confirm. Confirm. Waiting confirmation. Wait a second. There you go. And I've got 64.1859 BSW, so my 20 BSW got back in. So that is how easy and how fast it goes to withdraw and put back in some BSW. So remember, you just need some BSW, of course, and some BNB. How can you get those? First of all, get some BNB or BSW, BUSD, sorry, in your MetaMask. You go to exchange. You can get your, oh, sorry, I have to connect my wallet. It got deconnected, and of course, I need to be sure that it takes the correct wallet. There you go. You go to maximum, for example, BSW. It calculates automatically the amount of BSW that you're going to get. You click swap and your BNB will be swapped to BSW that will be sent directly to your MetaMask. There you go, guys. Have a nice day.